Haige, uThabo, it's either he's slow or he is looking for things that he does not know. Or could it be that the person that is Ubizu Songelo Sakile is Uthabo? Because Uthabo had a conversation with Ufanyana, and Ufanyana said, you know what? At some point in time, I used to hate Usakile so much so that Bengimfuna Efile. And then he takes that information, go and tell Sakile and says, Sakile lo muntu oksabisayo nangu. And then that did not work because Usakile knows ukuthi Ufanyana naye. They once had a misunderstanding sometime, and then they fixed that. Now the question is, uThabo, is he the person that is after Sakile? Because why do I say that? Because this afternoon he decided to go and ask Usakile, say hit and run. Why did you run? Why did you not go to the police? Why did you not report anything to the police? And then you decided to go to you when hit and run it. He looked like somebody that had anger. So therefore I'm like, are you sure ukuthi wena awunayo into okwenza nalento enzakalayo? Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we are going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Ndimadekwana sanibonani abusheni molweni minjani iphukile hingengwini. So namuhla kanokwa hina wa Smoke and Mirrors ikuma kurishila sitsemsekange kahle, looking at the fact that ama-threat law asaqhubeka, and Usakile decided that he was going to get himself bodyguards. So then he called, because he was no longer at the office, so they called him and said that the office is clear now, he can come back to work. So then bodyguards, they're starting to be active, again, or wherever he is going. I'm sure this also include ifamily yakhe. Well, now it so happens that Jackson decided that he is going to go and face Uzweletu Msebenzi, going there and telling Uzweletu how he is negligent, is costing abantu impilo zabo, and that is not true. Nguthi uzamwenza itori left, right and center, creating things how he does not care about people, and how he's going to report him to the health and safety. Let's see if the health and safety people come and do all the inspection and do the risk assessments and see if they will still agree with what he's doing. Manje again, I think like it's two things fighting against each other. Umshango wesimoya uphinda umshaya physical. So now Uzweletu was not beyangathintekanga athi, you know what, if that's what you want, you might as well just go ahead. Because whatever that we are doing here, it's above board. So there isn't really anything esifihlayo. Nakhona when you know nothing about running a company, like shots fired. Well, Usakile is back at work, and it looks like it's a bit mild for now, but I don't think ukuthi lento le iphelile. Mina ngicabanga ukuthi kukhulu kuseza, and Usakile better prepare himself. Speaking of preparing himself, umfundisi calls Uzweletu and told him ukuthi uyajabula ukuthi ubeke uJackson endaweni yakhe, because uJackson uyaqambukela ke where he is not supposed to. Umamiki ke uthathe zonke intambo zwap to herself, and now she's making the invites for a baby shower yakhe. She said it's not a baby shower, it's $1 million, I don't know, $1 million something. And with that, she is going to be inviting Utim, because Utim is a friend to the baby daddy. Hi guys, and then Utayini was like, okay, how do you then invite Utim? Where's Utim? And Utim asizwane kahle bese uyambiza ke ku baby shower athi lalela, I was not asking your permission, I'm actually telling you. So she takes zonke intambo from Uleroy, and I think she's being selfish right now, because these people, they were trying to do something good for her, and she could have just let them reign, you know. But Aigupila Atigena, what she wants, my gift card, she does not want impahla, does not want baby utensils, anything that has to do consumables, whatever she does not want, she will do all of this. But ama gift voucher, and if you don't have a gift voucher at the gate, no entrance for you. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so very much for watching my video. I will see you in my next upload. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and also leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.